Welcome to Arlington Community Arts. Today we're making a leaf collage. Begin by cutting 8 to 10 leaf shapes out of tissue paper. Folding the tissue paper over on itself allows you to cut more leaves at a time. Next, use a thin layer of Mod Podge to glue your leaves down to your leaf xerox. Put Mod Podge on top of the tissue as well. Next, take your color leaf xeroxes and cut out about 8 leaves, leaving a little bit of color trim around them. Using white oil pastel, draw veins on about half the leaves. Mod Podge these leaves on top of the tissue leaves. Let it dry briefly before cutting off the edges and mounting it onto a piece of construction paper. Your leaf collage is done.